Hi guys, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing Manonmaniam Sundaranar University internal assignments for examinations, MA English first semester. So first paper is poetry, subject code is SEN M11. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide different kind of services like solve assignments, guest papers, and everything. So if you are looking for any kind of services, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 900936823. Now let's discuss about the paper. So this is the paper. First SENM 11. Question number and 2 are there. Similarly, the subject code SENM 12. Drama. There are two questions are there. Similarly, in the third paper, MA English Fiction, subject code SENM 13. There are two questions in this paper, and the question number 4, subject code is SENE 11, Science Fiction, Fantasy, and Detective Literature. There are two questions only, and the last one is SENE 12, Approaches and Methods in English Language Teaching. There are two questions also in this one. So basically, if you are looking for the answers of the questions, we can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.